is here again. Me and my brother are gonna do a little thing from in the comments, and a guy or a girl commented to ask me if I wanted to do a Master Lock challenge. Oh, how do you get so now we're gonna try it. Put it down all the way. But then the light. Technical difficulty there. See? So we're gonna do the Master Lock challenge. My jacket. And we hope you guys like it. So here we go. Ready? Raise your arms out. Hold on. Don't use the chair. Don't use the chair. Right?
No, you can't freaking do that.
Alright, come on, ready? Oh, that hurt my knees. Alright, ready? Come on. You good? Ready? Ready?
That hurt my armpits.
No, you gotta keep your arms out. Okay, he laughed out of it. Now it's my turn. Let's do this thing. Okay, so we both attended.
And we both got out. So
I hope you guys liked it. Comment and like and subscribe down below. We'll see you guys later. Love you guys. See ya.